If you work part-time, you might be wondering, how can you prove your income on a mortgage application, especially if you've got multiple part-time jobs? Let's talk about it. So you'll be pleased to know that lenders actually assess part-time income in the same way as they treat full-time income. As long as your job is permanent, has permanent status, they'll treat it the same way, which means some lenders might need a 1 month income history, some may ask for 3, some may ask for 6. It does differ from lender to lender, but you'll be treated the same way as a full-time applicant as long as your job is permanent. So like I just said, each mortgage lender has their own unique criteria for assessing part-time income, but broadly speaking, they'll request your payslips along with bank statements, and they're normally corresponding with each other. So for example, on your payslip, you'll normally have your net pay figure there, and that is what lenders will expect to see on your bank statements when they match them up. Some lenders will ask for 1 month of payslips with the corresponding bank statement. Others will ask for 3 months payslips and bank statements, and some even 6. Now, if you've only just started a part-time role, don't worry. There are actually a few lenders at the moment who we can access at Boon Brokers who may accept just a signed employment contract instead of payslips and bank statements, but you must have only just started the job, so get in touch if you want more information. So yes, mortgage lenders can sometimes accept applications from part-time workers who have multiple part-time jobs, but the key thing that they focus on is feasibility when they assess a mortgage application. Can you feasibly work all of those jobs for the long term? And they're not just going to look at over the next few months or the next few years, but is it feasible for you to work those hours until your mortgage term expires? That's what they're focusing on. So for example, if you take on lots of part-time work for a short-term period, the underwriters will assess your feasibility, and if it's not feasible for you to do that sort of shift for many decades, perhaps to clear your mortgage term, then they might actually rule out that part-time income. But for example, if you've got 2 part-time jobs and you're still perhaps doing less than 8 hours a day as an example for both, then it's clearly feasible for you to do that in the long run. So feasibility is the key thing that underwriters will look for when assessing your application. So if you're a part-time worker and you're looking to submit a mortgage application in the near future, you should really consider using a whole-of-market mortgage broker like Boon Brokers to help you. Because we're whole-of-market, we understand the criteria points of over 90 lenders in the UK. That covers all the mainstream lenders that you would have heard of, challenger banks and more niche specialist lenders that might be more suitable for your scenario. We're also directly authorised by the Financial Conduct Authority to find the most suitable deal for you. So we're heavily regulated to find you the best product. And also, we're totally fee-free. We're not going to charge you at any stage of the process. People often say, well, what's the catch? How can you be free? There is no catch. All mortgage brokers are paid a commission when your case completes. For us at Boon Brokers, we just don't want to charge you on top of this because we don't agree with that practice. And also, we're super proud of our excellent 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. We've got over 1,000 now, so go to our website to read the full experiences of our clients.